Brown. The ball across. There's Bailey. Goal. Third time's a charm for the Reggae Boy. His first goal since March gets the game on even terms right before halftime.
Very, very low in confidence. Very, very low in belief that this can happen. And unfortunately, I'm not speaking about the players. Or should I say fortunately? Because if I the players want to speak about that would be totally a huge, huge problem for us. All right, welcome back, people, to MG Sports TV. Thank you very much again for tuning in. And me tell you, that's been a crazy, crazy week, especially the fact that, you know, election, all of that stuff there. I mean, I tell you, crazy, crazy stuff. All right, thank you very much again, people, for tuning in. This is MG Sports TV. Please do feel free to hit the like button and hit the subscribe button. Now, the Reggae Boyz supporters are in a bit of dilemma. They aren't confident. Not all of them though, but the masses aren't confident and have the belief that the Reggae Boyz team can take us over the line. Now, there are quite a lot of reasons or factors surrounding that belief, or factors that lead to that belief, and they have all right in acting out in that manner in regards to stating their claims or their grosses on whatever platform they want, either whatever, anything or post on the JFF or whatever media outlet, even on YouTube, and nothing's wrong with that. Some of the various factors which lead to the disbelief or the disconnect, or just the whole idea that we won't make it. One of the biggest reasons is us not progressing in the CONCACAF Gold Cup. Now, we can all agree that that was a huge stinker. Huge, huge stinker. But that don't necessarily equate to us not being successful or achieving anything going further. Now, another aspect of it is players that a lot of the supporters want to see, dream of seeing, aren't in the squad. Players are some of the better players, i.e. Ethan Pinnock, Leon Bailey, Matty Bodier, Mikel Antonio, are here, who's not fit, is injured. And because of that, even Andre Blake, and because of that, it gives little to no confidence that the team that is here will be able to get us over the line. And as I say again, there's nothing wrong with supporters feeling that manner. Nothing at all wrong. But I can tell you, what we have now is not just a squad. We have a team. And I believe that the players who are here are definitely capable of bringing us over the line. Yes, they might not have the quality of who's absent, but based on the nature of the competition, they have more than enough quality to take us over the line. I 100% believe so. Now, the Reggae Boyz supporters' lack of belief is highly justifiable. But sometimes, if you don't believe in what you have, as Bob Marley say, or Marcus Garvey, which is a legend, and a historical legend, think of Marcus Garvey. If you're going to want the race of life, believing you already lose, what do you think I got? Well, quote, I never know that that's the actual quote. But I think something around that level. I don't remember. I say if you don't have a belief or confidence, but I think it's belief in the race of life. You're already twice defeated. Yeah. So I hope that the players themselves who are available have the belief that they can take this team over the line. There is more than enough quality this Reggae Boy set up to get us over the line. Now, they aren't the only factors. The coaching staff, the technical staff, and the supporters have to give the players the belief that who is here, who is present, is capable of getting the job done. Now, you will find detractors. Who are detractors? What are the detractors? These are persons who, on the scale of belief, way below the belief hierarchy. So these are the persons who, you have the regular persons who say, boy, it's got tough. I really don't know if it's gonna happen. You have the persons who are gonna say, them can't do it. Them not ready none at all. It won't happen. Those are the detractors. Those are the persons me I speak about. Now, if you can psychologically mute these persons out of your mind, it will be really, really important if you do so, because don't let them drag you in a place of negativity as how they are in. Now, what I do believe is that a win here, the first win of the campaign versus Bermuda, if the Reggae Boys should beat the Bermuda team, the belief within the squad, the belief within the support base will significantly rise. And that would be very, very crucial in what we do going forward. Because in this camp, in these 2 games we're going to play over the window, and the rest of the games then coming up, belief in oneself is going to be so vital for the team to get over the line. And if we don't have that belief, we won't be able to make it. Now, yes, we need quality, but as I say again, the quality that is available is enough to get the job done, is enough to take us over the line. That's the reason why I'm happy that the coach have a big squad to select from. I'm very, very happy for that. And also, again, our first win of the window is what's going to make the huge, huge difference in the support-based belief and the players' belief. Once the players get that bit of confidence back, because as I said, in the CONCACAF Gold Cup, it was a horrendous campaign, and you can see that a bit of the belief within the squad kind of diminish a bit. But once we get the first win out of the bag, skyrocket. Belief will go skyrocket. Performance skyrocket. And I do believe that is what it takes. Sometimes that's also how football operates. A team with high belief is a team that can create wonders. So going to the game, performance will be important. Not just the result. We want to perform, we want to look good, we want to get the result with a good performance, and that in itself, in turn, will put in strong belief within the team, and I believe that can definitely push us forward for the next upcoming windows. Anyways, tell me what you think in the comment section, people. Big up yourself, smash the like button, hit the subscribe button, and let's say again, believe. That's how you go. Big up, people. MG Sports TV, we're out. God bless. Boom. Outside. You know what I mean?